Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Did you forget your password or you want to beef up your security? Resetting your Cleo password is quick and easy, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Cleo account password. Step 1, go to the Cleo login page. Now if you're logged out, you want to tap forgot password. Step 2, enter your registered email. Now, after tapping forgot password, Cleo will send a reset link to your email inbox. So just go ahead and open your email inbox, find the reset link. You can check your spam folder if you don't see it after a few minutes. Next is going to be to create a new password. So pick something strong, a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So once you find the reset link, it's going to actually create a new password, and now you got to pick a very strong password, and be sure to save that password somewhere so you can easily have it in case you forget. Next step is going to be to log in with your new password. So you're all set to get back into your account safely. Log in with your new credentials, including your password, and you're good to go. A new password not only restores access, it also keeps your money info extra secure. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.